Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into something essential for learning French, les articles définis, or in English, the definite articles. We use definite articles in French to talk about specific things, just like when we say the in English. For example, instead of saying a book, we'd say the book.
In English there is only one definite article, but in French there are 4 types of definite articles. Now let's see all 4 definite articles in French and how they agree in gender and number.
Le.
This is used for masculine singular nouns.
La.
This is used for masculine singular nouns.
L'apostrophe.
We use this form before nouns starting with a vowel or a silent H for both masculine and feminine.
Les.
This is for all plural nouns, whether masculine or feminine.
As you can see, definite articles in French agree in gender and number with the noun. For example, the dog in French is masculine. So in French we would say
Le chien.
the flower is feminine in French. So we would say
La fleur.
Now let's see the noun starting with vowel and H. For example, the school. So in French we would say
L'école.
the hotel. In French we would say
L'hôtel.
Now let's see plural nouns. For example, the children. In French we would say
Les enfants.
Let's see simple sentences using these articles in French.
The children are playing in the park. In French we would say
Les enfants jouent dans le parc.
the boy is going to read a book. In French we would say
Le garçon va lire un livre.
the tourists visited the museum. In French we would say
Les touristes ont visité le musée. That's all. Hope you have understood how to use definite articles in French. Try using them with things around your home today. Leave a comment below with one sentence, and I'll check it out. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you'd like more French tips.
À bientôt.